My video tutorial will give you detailed guidelines on how to effectively get rid of the deceptive pop-ups that are related to the website Resfit.site. Resfit.site is a new deceptive website that claims to be related to the well-known security application. However, this is not true. All these pop-ups are totally fake and you should not tolerate them. Such pop-ups, by the way, could be the consequence of some adware currently enabled in the system. We recommend you to be very careful and not to tolerate these pop-ups. Just leave this deceptive page. We also recommend that you research the system with the help of reliable security program such as Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get it on the official website combocleaner.com. Download the program, install the application, and then, after it gets successfully installed, start researching your computer. Combo Cleaner Antivirus will help you to effectively detect and delete other threats from your device. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threats which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threats, the locations of all these threats on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threats manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.